Last week I received a message from my sister, and it turned out there was Gashapon in this random supermarket that we sometimes go past. I'd actually never been into the supermarket before, but it actually did look really cool. I was shocked to see that the actual Gashapon were the Bandai Namco ones, just like the ones in the Cross store and the other Bandai Namco stores that have been opening up in the country. So far, Bandai Namco actually haven't made any announcements about this, so I thought it'd be cool to check it out to see what Gashapon they had, and to see what else this supermarket had to offer. So I went and jumped on the bus, and let's see what this place is all about. I say that the theming of this place alone is actually really nice. You know what it reminds me of? I think part of it's still there. There used to be a place called Oriental City in London. I think they mostly shut it down. I've been told there's like still a food hall, but wow, this theme is, so it's the Wing Yip Centre. So I think there's actually some other stores. So I think the main thing is there's a supermarket, and that's apparently where the Gashapon is. So let's go and check it out. Like a mini Chinatown. It's like a little sort of shopping centre, and then over here is the supermarket. I'm trying to figure out what to check out first. Actually, I think I'll go into the supermarket area to see, not supermarket, I think I'll go into the sort of shopping centre area to see what we can find. Already found the Chinese bakery, Chinese restaurant. There's like shops selling art. So it appears like there's a lot of nice smells. Unfortunately, it does seem like some of these places have shut down. Oh, this is actually quite a nice little find. So I'm guessing that's the shopping centre over on the shopping. So I think that's where the Gashapon is. And there's actually a second floor. So there's a few little places. There's a Japanese sushi place here. That's really cool. So going up to the second floor to see what we can find. There's a buffet over there, and I believe that is a hair and beauty studio. It literally is on the thing. I can enter this way, so let's go and see if we find Gashapon she showed me about. It seems like it's like a Tesco size Asian supermarket that specialises in Asian food. It's going to be interesting to see if we can find anything cool in here. Found it, it's in the supermarket, and it is Bandai themed. Let's see what we got. So let's just put these are the sit-in. We've got the cardcaptor ones. The Hello Kitty hardcaptors. We've got one piece, so we do. I was half worried that they'd only have non-anime ones, but no, they do have the anime ones. I don't think I've seen this one. We got some Kamen Riders, so it's nice to see. We got the Godzilla ones that I thought were rubbers. Or were they rubbers? I remember Rebecca told me what they were. They got the Tom and Jerry. So they do seem to have a good mixture. Wow, they even got keys. So they do have ones that I've not seen before. They've got stuff like Spy Family. And they even have the machine. Definitely haven't seen this one. I'm guessing this is for the movie that just came out that we did cover on this channel. I like this one. There's like yellow one-piece frame. That's really neat. We got some Gunpla. We got some mini Gundam. We got Pac-Man. We got some more. So it's nice to see they got more Gunpla. Wow, we even got Sensei. Sensei is huge in France. Absolutely massive. We got some more Tamagotchi. I believe there's a Tamagotchi store in the Cross store right now. I have to check it out. I do like these ones. They're like a little ring. So these appear to still use the tokens. They don't use pound coins. Which is weird because when I was in France, they actually have been edited to take euros. And we even got Gintama. I'm trying to remember. I'm pretty sure they have had Gintama in other stores, but so there's quite a few I've seen at the stores, but there is some different ones. So it's worth checking out maybe some of these more obscure. And I mean, I'm quite impressed how many they have just for a little just for a supermarket. That there's been no advertisement online. that has this. It's really cool to see them popping up in places like this. Cause I was even saying when I was came down to the Ealing store that like maybe popping up in like places where there isn't necessarily a Bandai store already. Oh, this has got the English. That's interesting. So that's got the English version, and that's got. The, oh no, that's the remake, isn't it? Yeah, that's why that's got. It's weird that one's got the original logo and a few Gundams. They even got the Shin-chan Hello Kitty range. I'm pretty sure I've seen it. You got Bocchi the Rock. You got Shy. I'm pretty sure they had that at the Brighton one. I remember Rebecca saying something about it. They got that anime that I don't know the name of, but I've never seen them have that before. That's pretty cool. There you got episode Neji stuff. Of course, that recently came out. So there's a nice range. You got Kaiju number 8. You got Sitting Dragon Ball. And they even got Marcel. And they got more Shin-chan that I think is another Hello Kitty cat. And okay, we got the I always call it Nika Dogu cat, but I think he's called something else. And we got Snake. So yeah, this is nice to see these popping up all over the place. And there's one more side I didn't see that I might as well get. We've got Harry Potter. I'm just going to try not say anything because that's just going to be controversial no matter what I'm saying. Oh, it's like IDs for cats. What? It's like licenses. That is quite funny for cats. Then we got some Tamagotchi. I don't know what that is. So it's nice that they got some. And then they got Miffy to finish us off. And then here we have the machine. This one's nice because it actually gives you a few options. So 2 tokens, so it's about £2 per token. So £10 for 5 tokens. So let's go and grab some tokens. Now we got to decide what ones we're going to go for. So many choices, so many choices. I've just noticed there's a hololive one. Damn! Who would have thought a random supermarket in Croydon would have hololive Gashapon? I think this is going to be the first one I went for. I didn't pick any of these up in Japan. I saw them, the Pico versus the World. So let's see which one we can get. So who did we get? We got Pico in a bus with, I always forget the cat's name. Well, that's pretty cool. That's a nice keychain. Comes with a bit of paper, just for fun. And they got a place to put your recycled pots, so I'm going to put mine in. Not as cool as the one at the cross store that goes all the way down. Right, let's try figuring out a 2-1 to finish us off on. So I think I'm going to go for one of the Shin-chan Hello Kitty collaboration ones. I don't know which one I want, either Shin-chan one with Shin-chan in it I'd prefer, but there is some pretty cute ones. I do like that one. And we got in this one the weird alien thing. Unfortunately probably one of the less good ones, but still cool little collaboration there. Now that's all done, I think I'm going to check out the supermarket, see if I can find anything cool. Already got some cake that already looks tempting. There's always some interesting items. Oh, they got some. There's even a bulk warehouse. Let's check this out quickly. You can buy a lot of bit. I already know Rebecca is probably begging for me to pick this up. She does like an ass cheek. How much Coca-Cola's going up in money? How much Coca-Cola can I price? This is actually half tempting. I could have got Fanta. I thought it was, nah, it's just a normal one. It's just Beetlejuice. I thought it was some special Fanta. Maybe the American stuff. even do imported drinks, including root beer, which I could never get into. And that ain't a bad price for how much the shops sell them for, if they do have them. Plenty of different flavours of cup noodle. I've never been into cup noodle, but if you're a cup noodle type guy, this is the place for you. It's nice to see those different items. This item's out of stock. Apparently not. We found some haichu, which I think I will be picking up. Of course, everywhere just has to have random Doraemon. So I found something anime related at last. They actually have Doraemon stuff. There's a nice Totoro up there. There's a few others over there. These are really cool. Here we go, we're at the drink section. Lots of different drinks that you don't normally get over here. And of course they got the ones you do normally get over here. Sadly no Mountain Dew. Oh, but I got some ramenade. That may be what I end up picking up. Unless I see anything that tickles my fancy. No melon soda, which is my drink of choice in Asia or in Japan. And a random flavour to try. This one looks like the most interesting that I'll probably like. Let's spin a cut up. Even have garlic bread. Crisps. You gotta try this one. On this random anime themed soy sauce. Not all of them are anime themed. You got the Weeb edition and the non-Weeb edition. A bubble tea shop in the side. So this is actually a nice little hangout. That was a little bit of a hidden gem there. It's funny, I think I'd been past this place a few times, but I've never got off because normally I'm heading. I think it was back when I was doing a job course in Croydon, so I was having to head to work, or potentially head to the job course. But yeah, that was really cool. Yeah, the Wing Yip Centre is a really cool place. Really nice to see the Gashapon, and it was nice to see quite a lot of people come over to the Gashapon, so it seemed to have quite a big interest. So yeah, it's really cool to see Bandai are starting to, literally as I said to them when I was talking to them, I said it'd be nice to maybe see it in some places where you don't necessarily have a store, but you can sort of take over a corner of a shop or something to have this to catch up on, and then people will get more and more used to it. So yeah, that's really cool. So I do strongly recommend you check this place out.